ami hain pathinan beka an choi moya hi munin pathin ro puina ro pui takel pung so ka theina dinga mi thanem ngai hai in pe na zara bola le hi ka ham thai ESC bekin building ro pui taka indina he o ran mi hai hilai mun pathin choi moina dingle pathinan beka pathin sukro pui ni theina dingle ring no tu hai koma hi mun in pathin of man ti ria pathin be seina tharan ne ya lalpa ro puina dinga hilai mun he lalpa chengna ni ti an thekal chawni lowa an hung khoma pathinan be tlang thing dinge Evangelical Assembly Church ka ham thai bekin he pale now pale tlarawin thing mingin ka hong Evangelical Assembly Church Kaham Thai Para North Tripura donated by Mr. Philip Morris and Mrs. Rolopui Morris, Australia, inaugurated by Reverend Lalding Lin, Director Missions ESC, on 23rd November 2025. Pathenin Ropina Changrose. Le Begina.
Tìm mấy hào đó.
Khut lung do yuna thalera begu ba lalpan awum puya temple lalpa ro puina lalpan